Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the LSATs. Start by setting a consistent weekly schedule with realistic study blocks and rest days. Begin with a timed diagnostic to establish your baseline and target score gap. Track weaknesses by question type and rotate practice across logic games, logical reasoning, and reading comprehension. Use real, timed sections to build stamina and mirror test day conditions for best results. Use active, repeatable techniques for each section, diagram games, map argument structure, and annotate passages efficiently. Time short, focus drills on specific question families and immediately review mistakes to extract patterns. Alternate intensive study days with lighter review sessions to consolidate memory. Keep a mistake log for recurring error types and revisit that log weekly to convert weaknesses into strengths through targeted practice. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support more helpful guides. Quick recommendation: bring your study sessions to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker to play focus playlists, set recurring study timers, and control lighting hands-free. It's a small change that can boost concentration and routine consistency. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Plan regular full-length, timed practice tests to build endurance and timing skills under realistic conditions. After each test, perform focused review, classify errors, note recurring traps, and implement specific strategy fixes. Use a rotating schedule that balances mixed practice with targeted drills for weak areas. Gradually remove time aids and track score trends, adjusting your study plan to address persistent gaps and maintain steady progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.